Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to access payments with Square on your WooCommerce store? Follow this guide where we show you how to connect Square to WooCommerce in 2024 for secure flexible payments. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. Are you looking to make the most of your e-commerce store? So integrating Square with WooCommerce can open up a range of possibilities for your business. And with just few quick and easy steps, it's never been simple to set up. In this article, we will cover exactly how to set up Square with WooCommerce so you can start taking advantage of this great tool right away. Now, what are the benefits of using Square? Why are we going to use Square instead of something else? So as benefits, Square is an online payment processor and all-in-one solution for merchants to quickly set up your store. It is one of the most popular payment gateways, offering businesses easy integration with websites and apps to make secure payments. If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to handle payments for your online store, Square and WooCommerce might just be the perfect pair for you. Square is a renowned payment processing option for its user-friendly interface, affordable price, and wide range of features. By setting up Square with WooCommerce, you can conventionally manage all transactions in one place and make checkout a breeze for your customers. Square offers seamless integrations with WooCommerce, providing numerous benefits for online businesses, and here's an overview of Square and its benefits for WooCommerce. First of all, we have the payment processing integration. Square seamlessly integrates with WooCommerce, allowing you to accept credit card payment directly on your WooCommerce store. This integration eliminates the need for third-party payment gateways, simplifying the checkout process for customers and streamlining payment management for merchants. Second, enhanced security. Square ensures secure payment processing by encrypting customer data and adhering to industry standard security protocols, and it helps protect sensitive payment information by reducing the risk of data breaches and enhancing customer trust. There is also mobile payments. Square supports mobile payment throughout its Square point of sale system, which can be integrated with your WooCommerce store. This enables you to access payments on the go, whether you have a physical store or participate in an event or pop-up shops. Inventory management. Square's integration with WooCommerce enables real-time inventory management. When a sale is made on your WooCommerce store, Square inventory levels are automatically updated in both Square and WooCommerce, helping you maintain accurate stock information and avoid overselling. Reporting and analytics. Square provides robust reporting and analytics features, allowing you to track sales, monitoring performance, and gain insights into your business. You can access comprehensive sales reports, transaction histories, and customer data, empowering you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your WooCommerce store. You have also seamless refunds and chargebacks. With Square, you can easily process refunds and handle chargebacks directly from your WooCommerce store. This simplifies the refund process for both merchants and customers, providing a seamless experience and enhancing customer satisfaction. Seventh, offline payment support. Square offers offline payment support, allowing you to process payments even when an internet connection isn't available. This is especially useful for business operating in areas with limited internet connectivity or for accepted payment during temporary outages. Multi-channel selling. Square's integration with WooCommerce enables multi-channel selling by synchronizing inventory and sales data across various platforms. You can sell throughout your WooCommerce store, physical location using Square POS, and even online marketplaces, ensuring a consistent and unified selling experience. Ninth is its easy setup and management. Setting up Square in WooCommerce is straightforward, and once configured, it requires minimal ongoing management. The integration provides a user-friendly interface for managing payments, refunds, and other transaction-related tasks directly from your WooCommerce store. it has also a dedicated customer support, so Square offers dedicated customer support to assist with any payment related issues or question you may have. They provide resources, documentation, and responsive customer services to help you make the most of Square features in WooCommerce. By integrating Square with WooCommerce, you can streamline your payments processing, enhance security, gain valuable insights, and provide a seamless checkout experience for your customers. Square's extensive features and benefits makes it a popular choice for businesses using WooCommerce to power their e-commerce operation. Now, setting up the plugin, you have few steps to do. First of all, to connect Square with WooCommerce, download the Officer Square plugin from the WooCommerce marketplace. Make sure to install it, activate it, and set up the plugin correctly. Follow the steps below after activating the plugin. So to download the plugin itself for the first place, you have to go first to WooCommerce. So let's go to WooCommerce. Here we go. And then within here, we have to search for Square. So I'm gonna go to extensions. You could go for sale, but we're going here, and you should search for basically the Square. So you could search here for Square. As you can see, here it is, and you will have to download it. So you can add it to carts. As you can see, here go to the carts, and basically click proceed to checkout, and now place free order. And once it's done, they will give you a zip file. As you can see, download invoice, and yeah, that's pretty much what you need. Click on download. This will allow you to add it to the store directly, but I'm going to click on download so I can download it on PC so I can show you exactly how to add it. So here it is. This is the file. That's it. So now go back to your WooCommerce store and click on plugins and click on add new. Now there is two ways to add the Square plugin. First of all, by going right here, searching for Square, and basically choosing the first plugin that will appear to you. WooCommerce Square, click on Store Now, and basically click on Activate. The second method is simply by dragging the file that you have just downloaded, but instead of searching for it here, click on Upload Plugin, and simply choose the file that you have downloaded and drop it in this area. After that, click on Install Now, and once it is installed, simply go here into the Install Plugin section and click on the Activate button, which will activate the plugin for you. Then, what's next is to simply connect your account to Square, and the integration is fully done. And that being said, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section down below, and see you guys in the next tutorial.